Okay, you guys, so here is some of the beef jerky we've taken off, and the last tray is coming. Look at that. Here we go. Show the tray. Here's the tray. Look at how good that looks. Came out perfect. And it was only in there for what? How long?
5 hours, 20 minutes.
There you go. Perfect. That doesn't take very long, but this is pretty thin.
Which is perfect. Still bendable and cracks on the surface.
Yep. Came out really good. Perfect. So we're going to let it cool off, put it in some food saver bags, and then give it to our friends, as this is all our friends. So we made it for them. They provided the meat, and we put it in the dehydrator for them. So Vicki and Brandon, if you are watching, this is all yours. Thanks for watching, you guys, and we will see you again soon. So this is how easy beef jerky is, and look at all of that, you guys. So 2.5 pounds of meat, and there you go. This will last them, well, I don't know how long it's going to last them, but this would last us.
1 day in the stagecoach.
Oh, there you go. Oh yeah, is that what they're doing it for, Stagecoach?
Yeah.
Yep, there you go. Oh, we should make some for Stagecoach too. We're going to Stagecoach too, so yep, there you go. Good idea.
I'll just walk over to Brandon's trailer.
There you go. Good idea. Bringing some for Stagecoach. Yep, maybe we should bring some food too. That's a good idea. Gonna go see Jelly Roll at Stagecoach. Cannot wait. Okay, well, see you guys again soon. Okay, word of the day. Beef jerky. Comment the word of the day below, and we'll be giving away some seasoned pepper for this video. So comment the word of the day below, and maybe you'll win some seasoned pepper. Thanks for watching.